This is solution number 4, and our equation is 9 tan squared of x over 3 minus 2 equals 1. So this is another situation where we have some coefficient with our variable, a multiple angle equation. And remember that we always want to find the general solution first, even though this is asking us to find solutions on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to find the general solutions first and then plug in for n to get our specific angles on the interval. So first we will add 2 to both sides, and that will give us 3. And then we're going to divide by 9 to get 1/3. And we're not going to do anything with this until after we find our angles, but we do want to get rid of the square. So the tan of x over 3 would be plus or minus 1 over root 3, which you could rationalize to root 3 over 3, but you don't have to because this isn't your final answer, so it doesn't need to be simplified. So the plus and minus is really important because if you don't include that, then you'll only have half of the answers instead of all of them. So x over 3 could equal, let's take a look, the positive 1 over root 3 would be at 30 degrees, or pi over 6. And then again, in quadrant 3, when we add pi n to that to get to 5, no, not 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6. So this would give us pi over 6 plus pi n, because these are pi apart. The period of tangent is pi, so that's what you're adding. So to get x by itself, we'd end up with pi over 2 plus 3 pi n. All right, coming over here to get the negative values, tangent, we would be at 5 pi over 6 plus pi n, which would give us 15 pi over 6, which reduces to 5 pi over 3. No, 15 pi over 6. 3 goes in here 5, 3 goes in here 2. So 5 pi over 2 plus 3 pi n. So those are our general solutions, but that's not what we wanted as our answer. We wanted instead to have solutions on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So we'll start by making n equals 0, and that would give us pi over 2. So if we put 0 in here, 3 pi times 0 is 0. So this whole thing just goes away, and we're left with pi over 2 plus 0 is pi over 2. If we make n equal 1, then we would be adding another 3 pi to that, and that would be too big. That would be out of the interval. So just this one solution on this side. Over here, we'd make n equals 0, and we would get 5 pi over 2. And when we make n equal 1, we'd be adding 3 pi to that, which would be too big. So on this side, we just have this as our solution. So the only two solutions to this equation are pi over 2 and 5 pi over 2.